Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing My Melody going Easter egg hunting. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the shape of her head like this. Next, let's draw the flower. On the top left here, draw a small oval. Then 4 petals going around. Let's draw her ears next. Starting from the top of the flower, come up, down, and then curving it back up like this. Next, for the other ear, draw a large curved shape out to the right and back in. Let's draw the face now. Inside, coming from the bottom of the face, draw an oval shape. Now inside, draw 2 ovals for the eyes and color them in black. Then draw another sideways oval here for the nose. Now underneath it, draw a U shape for the mouth. Then add some short lines on either side. Let's move on to the body next. Under her head on the left side, draw 2 curved lines like this. Then connect them at the bottom. Do the same thing on the right side, but make this side narrower. Now let's draw her arm on the left. From under the piece of fabric, draw a line to the right and then curve it back up for the hand. Now draw the other hand with a curved shape here. Let's draw the Easter basket next. Draw a set of curved lines coming down from either side of the right hand. Then draw small curves down on either side. Next, let's connect the top and bottom across like this. And then draw some diagonal lines inside for the detail. Now to draw the shape of the basket, draw a U shape underneath. And finish it off with some small lines inside. Now let's draw some Easter eggs inside. You can draw your eggs like mine, or you can make your own designs. That's it for the basket. Let's finish drawing her body now. On the top left of the basket handle, draw a small curve here. Then continue the same curve under and to the left. Now jump over to the left side. From her arm, draw a S-shaped curve down like this. Now to draw the foot, draw a diagonal line to the right and then curve it back up. Then add a small curve above it for the leg. Now do the same thing for the other foot and leg. Lastly, draw a round shape for her tail. Now to finish off the picture, I'm going to draw some details around her. Draw some bumpy lines across the floor for the grass. Now I'm going to add a few flowers around her. And lastly, a few Easter eggs laying on the ground. And that's it for my Easter version of My Melody. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.